6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. I see you, Patrick.
Cute.
Hey, what's going on? Hey,
hello.
Hey,
I'm just gonna put you down. Hey, don't panic.
Get me off of there.
Oh, gosh. Are you okay? Here, give me a hand. Yeah. I'm so sorry.
Alexa, disable gravity.
Turning off gravity. You are now free to float.
Whoa.
Or as I like to say, the wait is over.
So cool. Here, can you get a photo?
Oh my gosh, Zach! What?
Alright, it's okay. Let's see if we can't get you to sleep here. Alright, so I can book you on the Desert Dune. We got Paradise Island or Yosemite.
Paradise Islands.
Oh, good choice. So you are booked.
Okay, when do I leave?
Oh, right now. We can get you on the one way.
Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, this is incredible. Where am I staying? What's the hotel?
There's no hotel. This is a deserted island.
What? What do you mean this is a deserted island? I need a bed.
Get out of here.
I need a plate. Zach!
Greetings, traveler. Wizard, I need a potion for my horse. Ah, I have just the thing. A carrot of speed. For you. Very good. Onward! Good day. Oh!
Oh! I hope I don't get sent to Alcatraz. Next. You're pre-approved, go ahead. Next. South America, that sounds fun. Hey, you might need this. Have a good trip. Oh!
Look like I'm leaned up against it? Take a step to your right.
Bye, babe. Oh, no. There's no way you can get past me. Get it past him.
Nice, dude! Wait, what did you do? Just follow me.
Okay.
You got this, Zach.
Let me see it. Are you okay? I'm so sorry, Ty.
Did you make it?
Yeah, I think I made it.
You did? Oh! You did. Yeah, it wasn't close.
Snitz, can I take your order?
Hi, I'll have fries.
Yep.
I'll have
Fries.
a cheeseburger
Burger.
and ice cream.
Ice cream. Sorry, ice cream machine's broken again. Can I get you a soda instead?
That'll do.
Sorry about that. Good night.
Trick or treat!
You guys want to see a trick?
Can you just give us some candy?
Just check this out. One pumpkin spice latte, coming right up. Ooh. Here you go.
Cute. Pumpkin spice latte, please.
One pumpkin spice latte, coming right up. Think I can fit in that spot?
It's pretty tight.
I'm gonna try.
No, Zach, it's really not. No, Zach, stop! Yo, what? How did you do that? It worked! That's the best parallel parking I've ever seen.
I can totally fit. What are you talking about? Hey, get back here, you little punk!